moments of magic. Bear in mind.
You may think that I know too much, but no, it's never too much. Because when push comes to shove, girl, just trust I won't get sick of us. You my salty crush, I'm doing something different. Your name's been on my tongue, my cup's been looking fuller. You're picking by my walls, and baby, let's settle up, 'cause lately the world's been going crazy, and I gon' need somebody.
What's up guys, and welcome to another video. Today we are at O'Reilly and we're at the reception.
Tell me something else, saltine and gingerbread. That shit will never fail. And you may think that I know too much, but no, it's never too much. Because when push comes to shove, girl, just trust I won't get sick of us. Hold up, shimmer, comfort queen, my squeeze at night. Who opens up this packaging's too tight, ho, whoa. And know you got it like that. Bring it on back, 'cause you got it like that, ah, yeah. And know she got it like that. Sometimes desserts are best when last. Or your daddy gonna beat my ass. Yeah, believe me. Boy, sure if I can get enough. Spill twice, so go I did it. Off the brakes and let these walls sit fast if you're feeling love. Ten spins for your own choice.
Did you go?
Did you see that look?
Yeah?
Yeah, that's
You
it.
may think that I know too much, but no, it's never too much. Because when push comes to shove, girl, just trust I won't get sick of us.
Cold? That's cold? This is the other. Where you feed the birds? Eat. Cafe. Hi. So, Mason's having dinner. go ask for the fee.
Welcoming committee of O'Reilly's, the Crimson Rosellas. If they haven't
It's
come
a
and said
Rosella,
hello
my love.
already, there's something wrong. This is just a little treat for them to say thank you for coming to see us this morning. But please don't feed them human food. You on this lovely stainless steel platter. And it's a a male because the beak is slightly wide. If we look at this one here, just flying over, that one was a female because her beak is just slightly slender.
Aww.
Now that's the male.
Yep. Oh, cute.
To come along to the bird walk because they just.
Three of us have something on our look.
Mom, come here.
Aww. Okay, let's go now.
Sorry, Gerald.
Sorry. Come on, let's go.
You stole my head.
Yes. Now we're gonna go to Buyong Walk.
Bye, Gerald. My first birdie friend. And
This is a treetop walk, okay? We have some food here, pero
they're not coming.
Scarlet honeyeater, any of those. Is that you again, Louis? Yeah, I'm going to put my window
Can we go down there because there might be some.
here just as if talking about.
yung pala itsura ng bird. Ayun. Nagko-calling pala sila.
Breast is quite bright yellow. It's where the female should just have a little bit more grey on the breast. They make a little cup-shaped nest, and it's just in the fork of the tree. As they land, yeah, the tails will let go on. It does show a little big one of those hanging nests along the way. Really a good look there, East, and there's something over this side. What's happening down here? Look, little white, little yellow Trojan scrub wren. Just cute.
Lovely. Come on. Go. Just go here, bud. Oh, do you have to check in there? I think you just go here.
Did you shake it going to here? What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today, I am in the O'Reilly restaurant having some.
We got croissant, just one.
Started slow, like a tree grows out in the open. These things don't grow over nights long and get old in the morning. Nothing more can make it speed up. Nights are long and the day's getting shorter. Hold her close, father to your daughters, 'cause all things that grow slow can go so fast. close on the west, constantly subject to change, far beyond these no more nights with the bed lights to help you slumber. And all those times you were kept up by roaring thunder. The lights are on, but won't stay much longer. As time moves on, they'll only grow darker, 'cause all things that grow slow can go so fast.
I'm just gonna screenshot.
Softly the nights fade away, then into times of midnight. Seems slow but goes fast, just like an airplane.
Good. Is it better view?
When she blows on.
Yeah.
Guest house in car park. Yung one way sinasabi nila.
From the wrist to the ankle.
Oh, adorable.
Looking around the guest house, though, people spot them every now and then. This section of forest, it's just not squirrel glider country here.
Oh, it's so cute.
Now, shoe gliders are the same family. They look similar, though they're hard
Oh,
to size.
so cute.
So with giving a heads up and knowing what info I need, I come across a few articles that I now regurgitate every day. The authors who give vegetation.
Very fluffy.
Enormous trees.
They're so cute.
Anyway, haven't got ears. Carpet python. Found along the entire east coast of Australia. There's many races or regional variations, and apparently nobody knows how many there are. That's your stock standard colour and pattern for one. There's something about Russ that shows that she's clearly not from anywhere near here. The head. I'm sure you'll agree, those of you who come across a similar
about yesterday. Your smile, your style so fly. My oh my. As time stood still, I got the urge to steal a kiss, and so I did. Now I'm embarrassed, but just a
What's his name, sorry?
little bit.
I've named it Russ, but
Russ.
Oh, there must be
it's
gold on those lips, and honey on those fingertips.
Thank you. See ya. It's gonna be Jerry. Gerald. Oh my God, Gerald.
Can you imagine us two out in the woods in a big old house? We'd pass our days on clouds, floating around. Oh, since I met you, I feel unbreakable. Oh, I can take it all. Wish me good luck, give me the courage to ask for more. Oh, there must be gold on those lips. I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in old conversations. Cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. I was never the one to give up the ghost. No, I was so stuck. I kept on playing my part, wanted to give up cause nothing was changing. But with you it's so clear, and now that you're here I see colors in every spectrum. Guess I finally learned my lesson. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. And I think to myself, and I'm thinking out loud, we won't need nothing else for the rest of our time. And I know it so well, I will always be by your side. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. All the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
Done it! Wow, high five.